Hi guys, today we're going to start our section about nouns and we're going to be studying common, proper, singular and plural nouns. Today is November 10th and this session is being recorded. So, what is a noun? First of all, a noun is a word that names a person, a place, a thing or an idea. The following chart shows some examples. Example for person, a common noun would be man and a proper noun will be old and canny. A place, a common noun, would be state, and a proper noun would be Arizona. And for a thing, a common noun will be river, and a proper noun will be Colorado River. So a common noun names any person, place, thing, or idea, and a proper noun names a particular person, place, thing, or idea, and all proper nouns begin with a capital letters. Okay? Most nouns name things you can touch, but others name ideas, as I said at the beginning. Examples of ideas could be democracy, hope, friendship, okay? Those are nouns, but these are the things that you can touch, okay? Or see. Now, singular and plural nouns. A singular noun names one person, place, thing, or idea, and a plural noun names more than one person, place, thing, or idea. How do we form plurals? Well, there are specific rules for that. And the rules are in this table here, this chart, okay? That I will ask you to copy on your notebook or either copy it on your notebook or you can print out the presentation and have this information on your files, okay? Let's see the chart. How do we form plural? Well, for most singular nouns, you only add an S at the end. For example, dream, if you want to turn it into a plural noun, you put dreams. But nouns that end in S, double S, X, CH, or SH, you will not add an S, you will add ES, okay? So if you have a noun that ends in S, double S, X, CH, or SH, you will add ES. For example, bus, it ends in an S, okay? So you put ES and you form buses. Dress ends on double S, so you will add ES, and you will have dresses. If the noun ends in a consonant and Y, you change the Y to I and add ES. So you will be adding IES, okay? For example, city ends on a consonant that is T and a Y. So you take out the Y and you put IES. You have cities. On baby, it's the same thing. You take out the Y and you put IES, babies. If you have nouns ending in a vowel and I, instead of a consonant and I and Y, you have a vowel and Y, you add S. So we have day, so you add S because it's a vowel A and Y, you only add S. In Turkey, you have vowel E and Y and you add at the end an S, okay? Nouns ending in F or FE. If you have this case, to most of the words you will add S, but in some cases you have to change the F to V and add ES. So you will be adding VES. For example, chief. In this case, you can add the S. But for cow, you will take out the F and you will add VES. Okay? In nouns ending in a vowel and O, you will add S at the end. Rodeo, rodeos. Studio, studios. Okay, that's vowel and O. And nouns ending in a consonant and O, Do most of them add es or some add s? For example, echo, echoes, you add es. Banjo, banjos, you add only s. Some irregular nouns change their spelling. That's why they are irregular. For example, man, plural is men. Tooth, the plural is teeth. But those you have to learn by heart, okay? A few irregular nouns keep their same spelling. For example, sheep, the plural is sheep. Deer, the plural is deer. Moose is moose. And trout is trout, okay? So those are only some examples. You will be learning them as we go on. Okay, some other examples of exercises. Tell which words in each sentence are nouns. Classify them as common, proper, and singular, or plural, sorry. So the first sentence, listen to the legend of the old Dan Canyon. Okay, we have legend here as a noun. This is a singular common noun. And the old Dan Canyon, this is a proper noun, okay, and it's singular. Number 2, according to the legend, Old Dan has lived in the Grand Canyon for years. So we have legend again, we have Old Dan as a proper noun, has lived in the Grand Canyon, we have another proper noun here, and years. Years is a plural noun, okay, and it's common. Number 3, hardly any tourists see the hermit anymore. Tourists is a plural noun, hermit is also a noun, and it's common and it's singular. Number 4, long ago, Dan colored the walls of the canyon. We have Dan as a proper noun, we have walls as a plural noun, and we have canyon as a, in this case, not a proper noun, and a common noun, and it's singular. Then we have the hero painted a rainbow in the sky. Hero, okay, common noun, and rainbow as a common noun. Also, we have sky, okay, as a common noun. Let's see the next slide. The rangers at the Grand Canyon tell a legend. Rangers, this is a common plural noun, and Grand Canyon as a proper noun, and legend as a common noun. We have number 7, the hero of their story is Old Dan Canyon. Hero, common noun, story, common noun, and Old Dan Canyon as a proper noun. Number 8, Old Dan takes tourists across the canyon. Old Dan, a proper noun. Tourists, a proper, a common plural noun. And canyon as singular common noun. Okay. Number 9, these visitors fly on a bolt of lightning. So we have visitors, plural noun. We have bolt as a common noun and singular, and lightning as a common noun, also singular. Number 10, what joys these people feel on his tours? So we have joy, common noun, we have people, common noun, and we have tours as a common plural noun. 11, Dan remembers the birth of this natural wonder. Dan is a proper noun. Birth is a common noun in this case, because birth can be verb or noun, but in this case it's acting as a noun. Of this natural wonder, wonder is also a common noun. 12, the Colorado River created this marvel. So we have the Colorado River. Colorado River is a common noun, proper noun, and marvel, which is a common noun. 13, heavy wind and rain form the walls of this gorge. So heavy wind, wind is a common noun, rain is a common noun, walls is a common plural noun, and gorge is also a common noun. Okay, singular. Another type of exercise. In this case is indicate the plural form for each noun. So here we have sandwich. Remember the rules for the words that have ch at the end. We add es, so we have sandwiches. Food. Food in this case is a verb. A noun that it's an irregular noun. that changed the spelling for the plural form. So the plural of food is feet. In the case of life, remember the rule for the words that end with an F, okay? We change the F for a V and we add ES, so we have live. Number 17, count country. Country ends on a Y and a consonant. Okay, remember that we have Y, a consonant and a Y. We take out the Y and we add IES, so we have country. In the case of potato, we have a consonant and a no, and what we do here is we add ES, potatoes. In the case of boy, it ends on a Y and a vowel, sorry. And we have boys because we only add an S. On 20, cameo, we only add an S, okay, at the end because we have a vowel and an O. 21, key, it ends with a vowel and a Y. Normally, what we do here is we add an S. And in sheep keeps the same form, so it's the same spelling. So it's sheep again for plural, okay? If we want to rewrite these sentences, you rewrite the sentence using the plural forms of the underlying nouns. What we have to do here is we have to change the nouns to plural. So for example, Turkey and moose left in search of water. So what we do is we have turkeys and moose, because moose remains the same, left in search of water. Number 24, the social man and woman felt great sadness. So if we are going to change this to plural, we will write the social men and women felt great sadness. Okay, so man and woman changed to men and women. I have magic power and ability, it said. If we change this to plural, I have magic powers and abilities, it said. Number 26, throw me up and I will make the raindrop fall. Throw me up and I will make the raindrops fall. The Shoshin chief and hero threw the snake upward. If we change this chief and hero to plural, we have the Shoshin chiefs and heroes threw the snake upward. Number 28, as the warrior watched, the snake body filled the heaven. So we have to change warrior and heaven to plural. We have, as the warriors watched, the snake body filled the heavens. Okay. And 29, the last one, the snake melted the cliff and the valley of the sky. We have to change cliff and valley to plural. We will get the snake melted the cliffs and valleys of the sky. Okay. So remember, a common noun names any person, place, thing, or idea. A proper noun names a particular person, place, thing, or idea, and always begins with a capital letter. Add S or ES to form the plural of most of the nouns. Some nouns are spelled different than in the plural, okay? And other nouns have the same singular and plural form. That's what we need to know about the class. Right now, you should go to this link that it's on our Academia's post for the homework, and you can get into a Google form that will have some questions about this. Please review first all the presentation. Also in the presentation, you can click on the link and it will take you to the Google form, all right? So this will be all for today, and thank you very much for watching. See you next week.